sa simula kanina sa stipulation of yung sa stipulation na nangyari kanina yung pinag-uusapan kung stipulator na ang naging pa siya ng presiding officer is to submit the copies, yung defense. Ito ba yung 800?
Yes. Yung hindi lang yata 800, I think lahat ng ARs, pati itong first, second, and third quarter eh. Oo, so I think 4,000 ba? Parang ganun. Oo. So yun po yung pinapasubmit. Kasi ang nangyari, kaya nga sinasabi namin, although they keep on saying it's a common exhibit, meaning parehong dokumento, iba po kasi yung markings. May AR, kunyari makita tayo ng isang AR, hindi pong nakamark yan as prosecution and defense. Meron pong baling isang AR, dalawang kopya, mark ng defense yung isa, mark ng prosecution yung isa. That's why sinasabi natin it's not strictly a common exhibit. No? But ang naging decision naman is one, to use muna yung table na which is really allowed under the rules. Tama din naman po ang presiding officer. And of course, tama rin naman si Attorney Kapunan. It's provided under the rules, no, na pag voluminous ang documents, pwede namang summary lang. So yung summary, yung table na ginawa ng witness at in-identify ng witness ay nagamit kanina, and then nautusan naman tayo na mag-submit rin kasi apparently hindi yata nagkaroon ng kopya. Yung impeachment court naman nung aming mga minarkahan na acknowledgement receipts. Yes, kaya yun. Kasi markado na yun eh. So dapat we should easily be able to submit those.